Hello guys, what we have here is a question which was asked in the 2012 June net exam. The question is that we have a function u of xy which is um, which is equal to x plus half into x square minus y square, which is the function right there. And what we can being the real part of an analytic function f of z. So there is an f of z which is an analytic function which is having a real part u of x y and some imaginary part, which means some corresponding to I, some coefficient of I which is equal to some imaginary part. Let us assume that it's v of x y. Okay, so which is also a function of x and y, and what we have is f of z right there, which is a complex variable, a complex function, and we have the complex variable defined z is equal to x plus iy. Okay, what we need to find out is the imaginary part. So we know the real part and we need to find the imaginary part. So for that we can use the Cauchy-Riemann's conditions for some analytic function f of z with u of xy plus I into v, or u plus iv in general form. Then the condition for analyticity according to Cauchy-Riemann conditions is that, so dou u by dou v, dou x must be equal to dou u by dou v, with x being the real part of the complex variable, and dou u by dou y must be equal to dou v here, uh, minus dou v by dou x. So it has to satisfy these conditions for analyticity, which is called CR conditions or C Cauchy-Riemann conditions. So we can just check the conditions and find out what the v is. Okay, how can we do that? We can write down the dou u by dou x, which is the x derivative of real part, which is 1 plus x right there. I just took the derivative with respect to x. Okay, it's x square, which is 2x, so 2 and 2 cancels and x remains, so it's 1 plus x. So this must be equal to dou v by dou y. Okay, why am I writing like that? Okay, dou v by dou y. So this is our condition right there. What we can do is that we can integrate by, first of all we need to rearrange them in terms of, and then we can integrate both sides, and what we'll get is that integral of this will be, okay, integral of this will be y plus xy, which must be equal to, oh, v, oh, it must be equal to v. So v is equal to y plus xy. So we have got the answer right there, straightforward, and our right answer, which is option A. So that was a very easier question. It was asked in the 2012 net exam. So I hope you guys understood very well. For more videos, you get to the link t.me CSIR net physics. Okay, thank you for watching.